Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a grocery haul. I wanted to show y'all my grocery haul, what I get from HEB. As someone who is plant-based and $8, I make my groceries last. I try to make my groceries last and to be very conscious and budget friendly. So these are all the groceries, including water, coconut aminos, vegan ranch or Caesar salad. I particularly like Caesar salad dressing. Hot sauce. I know people gonna have something to say about Frank's. It's a staple in a black household. We got some relish, Little Bird, vegan mayonnaise, powder, dillweed seasoning. This is Just Made prickly pear, Suja detox shots. All right, so you definitely need greens. You need all times. Like, greens are a staple, but I love microgreens because they get all the vitamins and minerals that I need for the day. What I always have is dandelion greens. Dandelion greens is a must-have. Iron, anemia, and any other blood for you if you have gut issues. Box of greens. This is spring mix, organic spring mix. We need some type of pepper, bell peppers, cucumbers, and okra. You need okra to make okra water, y'all. And I will insert a clip right here of okra water that I prepare and that I drink all the time. If you want a healthy reproductive system, if you want a healthy body, a healthy snatched waist, okra water. You need some organic red onions at all times. This is good for clearing your nasal passage if you're sick. For fruit, you always need some handy dandy apples. And these are organic. Get everything organic. This right here, ginger, organic ginger. Taking this on an empty stomach in the morning, your body will be snatched. Our vegan crackers. You can only, I think you could get this from Amazon, but HEB sells this for $4.99. Seaweed as a classic snack to always have. Handy dandy chickpeas. My other protein is hemp heart. As a plant-based woman, this is like my holy grail. This and macaroon. Y'all see it? Guys, this keeps my body in shape. My last holy grail are my mushroom chickens. This is completely mushroom root cutlets, y'all. You can get these from any health organic store. Made from 100% mycelium mushroom root. Look at the cutlets, look how they made it. Stay tuned to my next clip to watch me make my lunch of the day, my chickpea tuna salad, something quick, easy, light, protein filled that you can make, and it's so good. So stay tuned. Alright, hey y'all, today I'm showing y'all what I eat for lunch. Getting back from the gym, so stay tuned. We are making chickpea tuna salad. This is something that you can pair with rice, crackers, put it on a sandwich, but today I think I'm just going to pair it with some crackers. But organic cucumbers to dip. I have my plant-based crackers. All right, we have our cold chickpea tuna mix. and crackers. This is a great after gym workout snack for me. Great protein. As a plant-based girly, I'm going to sprinkle some hip hearts to add a little bit more.
Okay, I might just throw some beans on there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that.
So you're gonna take a cracker. Good. Easy to make.
Double MG, the mother niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Crazy shit, at least you call it. Feels better when you let it out, don't it? Easy to get caught up in the moment when you say